Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I was going to show you this Craftsman air compressor I just picked up for the shop. I got this particular one because of the Craftsman name, and I really like Craftsman. I've used their hand tools for many years, and I've had one of these similar compressors before. This particular one, I really like it. I like the fact that it's made in the USA. It's a 6-gallon air compressor, 150 psi. It comes with the built-in handle. It's got a ears back here so you can wrap up the power cord. Just a 110, 120 volt power is all it's required. Only weighs 30 pounds, so you can take it out on the job site really easy. And I picked this up for like $169, I believe. It comes with this kit. It comes with the 25-foot air hose. Connection's already connected. It comes with an air chuck, and you can see these pieces when you get it are not together, so you can put them together, but they already have the Loctite around it. Only tools that really require for you to put this quick connector here and the quick connector in the air tip is a 3/4 and a 9/16 open end wrench. You can put these together super easy. It also comes with several tips for the air gun. Comes with the little rubberized tip, and it just threads in. Finger tight's all you ever need. Comes with a tip for airing up your football, basketball, anything like that with that tip, and again that just screws into place. And take it apart. Well, dropped it on the floor. And the last piece that it comes with is a piece for airing up your kids' floats. It's really handy there too. So I want to show you here, this particular air compressor is, like I said, this is a 6-gallon. It has two regulator pressure gauges on it. One is the tank pressure, and the other one is the actual regulator pressure. This is the pressure that you want to really keep an eye on when, depending on what type of tools you're using. If you need a little more power, like if you're using an air ratchet or something like that, you may want more PSI. If you're using a nail gun, like an 18-gauge nail gun or something, you can back it off to about 60, and you've got, that's plenty of pressure for that nail gun. I like that, the fact that you can adjust the regulator right here just by clockwise to increase the pressure, counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. It's got an on-off switch right here. Of course, it's got the built-in handle. I did want to let you know that this is an oilless pump, so there's no maintenance required there. It does let you know that you should, just for maintenance issues, after you get through using it, you should always unplug it. It does have a relief valve right here, and I'm going to pull it. It'll be a little noisy, but you can, if you want to let the air out, I always do. I don't leave air pressure in it. So when I'm done, I release the air. Also, to drain the tank, there's a fitting. Let me turn it where you can see it right here. And this is just hand tight. If you you can drain, and of course you'll want it down so that if there's any water, it's going to be in the bottom, or any moisture, it'll let it out. And then you can just hand tight to close it. And that takes care of that part of it. And that's all there is to it. Just like I said, I wanted to show you. I really like this too because I'm going to use it here in my shop, but you can take it out on the job. It's not too heavy. Like I said, it weighs 30 pounds, so it's really portable. So if you're looking for a air compressor for your shop or something to put in the back of your truck to take out on the job site, check this one out. I picked this one up at Lowe's, but you can get them on Amazon. I'll put some links down in the description. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos. And until next time, stay safe.